Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy dividend stocks with Charles Schwab step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Charles Schwab website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, create one by following their registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the Research tab on the main menu. Select stocks from the drop-down options to begin your search. Use the search bar to find specific dividend stocks you're interested in. You can filter results by dividend yield, market cap, or industry for more tailored options. Review the detailed stock information provided, including historical performance and dividend history. Once you identify a stock you want to invest in, click on its name for more details. Take note of the current price, dividend yield, and recent news related to the stock. To purchase the stock, navigate to the Trade tab in the main menu. Select Equities for stock trades. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock you wish to buy in the order entry form. Specify the number of shares you want to purchase. Choose your order type. Consider using a limit order to set your desired buying price. Review your order for accuracy, ensuring all details are correct. Confirm your order to proceed with the purchase. After placing the order, keep an eye on your portfolio under the Accounts tab. Monitor the performance of your dividend stocks regularly. Consider reinvesting dividends to maximize your returns over time. Remember to stay informed about company news and market conditions. This will help you make informed decisions about your investments moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.